Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to replace the wiper seal on our WaterMaster pop-ups. This applies to both the 2 and 4 inch versions of this sprinkler. The way to notice which sprinkler you have, because we make various different wiper seals for different types of sprinklers that we make, and they're not compatible across styles, so you need to make sure you get the right one. The way to tell that you have the right one for this one is it's going to say WaterMaster in big letters up here. It's also going to be a male threaded nozzle, not a female threaded nozzle. So when you remove the lid and pull this out, when you take a look at that, that nozzle is male threaded, and it has the screw on the bottom rather than the screw up at the top there. So the way you replace this, well, you'll need to remove that nozzle, and then this just comes off. Leave the spring on there, get the new one, make sure that that spring seats in the groove there, and replace the nozzle. You're set to go. Go ahead and put the sprinkler back in, replace the lid. That's really all there is to it. Pretty simple process, takes just a few seconds, but if you're noticing that your pop-up stems aren't falling back in after they're done watering, they're getting stuck in the up position, could be a bad wiper seal that just needs to be replaced. So easier to do that than replace the entire sprinkler. If you have any questions about this, please let us know in the comments below, and we would be happy to help.